We'll guide you through how to run JavaScript in Visual Studio Code. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Visual Studio Code on your computer and navigate to the Extensions view by clicking on the icon that looks like 4 squares on the sidebar. In the search bar, type node.js, and then install the node.js extension pack by Microsoft. This provides you with everything you need to run JavaScript efficiently. Once installed, go to your terminal by clicking on Terminal in the top menu and selecting New Terminal. Before you can run JavaScript, you need to make sure node.js is installed on your machine. You can check this by typing node-v in the terminal and hitting Enter. If a version number appears, you're good to go. If not, download node.js from the official website and follow the installation instructions. Now, let's run a JavaScript file. Create a new file by clicking on File in the top menu and selecting New File. Save it with a JavaDOS extension, like app.js inside this file. You can write any JavaScript code. For example, type console.log hello world to print a message to the console. To run your code, go back to the terminal and type node-app.js and press Enter. You should see hello world displayed in the terminal, confirming your code executed successfully. If you ever encounter errors, check your terminal for detailed error messages that can help you debug. Using VSCode's integrated terminal makes running and testing JavaScript super convenient, as you don't have to switch between different programs. Remember, practicing regularly will make you more comfortable with these steps. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.